harm done. Just a little spot shower there, boys. Not too bad. I do see a little lightning though. So who's up for the party tonight? Anybody? The preseason Wire Club party? Pizza, most likely. Well, obviously, since you just saw the video, but hopefully for the rest of you. NFL talk, NFL analysis. Talk about the Raiders, Cardinals, Kyler Murray. Talk about Redskins, Bengals. Other games that are on, Ravens, and forget the other one, but who's up for that? Maybe a little NFL trivia. Backup QBs trivia. What do you think? Let's take a look. Who's up for that? Anybody? So you can see the field for behind us. So we head out. Hopefully the gates won't be locked. Doubt they will be. So heading through the tunnel. And I'll see you guys later. Take care.